Yo, what's going on, you guys? Coming back with a quick video. So obviously we have ZIA. She is back from the tuners. We don't have the dyno tune yet. We're going back next week for that, but with a bunch of other problems I explained in the tune video that we had with this car, a bunch of different complications, we got a lot figured out. But today it's just gonna be a quick install how-to video because this is a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, and for some reason they're still using a freaking prop rod. There should be struts on this hood. I highly believe that they should have put struts on this vehicle a long time ago and just made that from factory, but they didn't. So that's what we're going to do today, and you guys are going to go ahead and join me in that process. All right, let's get started. Alright guys, so when you get your package, you'll get an assortment of the brackets, and I'm going with the Ford Performance struts here. So you get these nicely engraved Ford Performance struts along with a detailed explanation how to do it, but I'm going to show you the real quick way how to do it. So another package is going to come with two of these looking guys. So if you're like put it up on the hood, the small circle here on the right, this is how you know this is gonna be the passenger side. So that's gonna go on just like this. I'll show you when I put it on, and you mirror that with the other one. Now with these brackets, you're gonna notice how this one has two those pegs that stick out. That is the driver's side, and the one with no pegs is the passenger side. All right, let's get started. Oh, and the other things you'll need is just an Allen key that'll fit into here. I don't know the exact size, just find one that you got, and then a 10mm socket, or the impact wrench. Go ahead and use that. And there'll be one step that I'm going to be skipping because I do not have the battery cover for this vehicle, as when I purchased the vehicle it didn't come with one. So you're gonna have to drill a 1-inch hole to align with this hole right here. So because this is where you're gonna be putting the bracket in, so you need to drill and put your battery cover over this, and it's gonna be a 1-inch hole. But I don't have a battery cover, so I'm gonna skip that step. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna want to do is remove the factory or the mount right here. It's a 10mm. That off, we're gonna keep that in hand. We're gonna take our bracket here, just how I said, circle on the left with this facing inside, and mount it up just like that. And you do want to make sure that these are relatively tight on there, because you don't want those to fail and cause any damage underneath the hood. Okay, so on this bracket, you see we have the Allen key here, we have the serrated washer, and then it will have faces outwards. You want to make sure that this serrated washer here gets actually put up underneath this hole right here. You want to make sure it gets underneath there. So this whole serrated washer in the bottom piece needs to go ahead and get routed under there. Okay, it's under there. Now you're gonna pull this way when tightening. Make sure it's to the front of the car and this way, and then go ahead and tighten down. Alright, so I think I found an easier way. So what you want to do is hold this, pull up on the screw, like the Allen screw here, pull up on that and tighten down. That way the bottom end doesn't move on you. And then make sure you pull towards the car, enter the front. Like so, with this one, you do want to make sure these are tight. Don't be scared to get them tightened down to the vehicle. Whoops. Get you guys here. Don't be scared to get this tightened to the vehicle because you really do not want these to fail on you. Alright. Look like it's going anywhere. Alright. So we're going to mirror the same exact thing. We're going to do it on the other side. All right. Place that up on here. And this is where the last one's gonna go. So again, let's see here. All right. Get that to fall into place. The serrated edge is also in place. Pull up on the bolt while you tighten. Alright, now it gets threaded. Remember, pull this way, kind of in that direction, make sure it gets seated properly. All right, here is our hood strut. Let's see here. So we're just gonna go and pop that. Make sure this is facing the correct direction, and then move you guys up. So with this one, you're gonna go ahead and this definitely helps you have two people because you only take the hood prop off to get this to fit in, just like that. And that is one hood strut on. Let's put the hood prop back up until we get the second hood strut in place. That's one on. Feels good, looks good. All right, let's go get the other one on. All right, so here we got our second one. Here's a turn to the right way. All right. Now I'm gonna put my hood prop back. I'm just gonna take you guys out. Alrighty, and hopefully that it's nerve-wracking. It's my first time ever installing hood struts, so I hope I did it right. like a small gap. Right there. There's like a small gap in this one for performance. Over here for performance. All right. Now, moment of truth. Hopefully these don't fail. Everything's looking good. Okay. Let's go ahead and open her back up. Also got the new stickers in. All right, let's see. The door's not open. Apparently the car's locked. All right, let's try this again. And that removes the need. Wow. The prop stand was not happy, but there we go. Perfect. Alright guys, and that is all I have for today's video. It's going to be a short video, super short video, super quick, super easy. I got those off of American Muscle at like $75. Obviously there's other brands you could go with as well, but if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe if you want to learn more about the 2018 Mustang and learn with me when I'm doing things to the car. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, do anything. I'll leave a product to the description in the I'll leave a link to the product in the description. There we go. Other than that, have a great day. Peace.